Have you ever pondered over the fascinating history behind the construction of the Suez Canal, an engineering marvel that stretches 120 miles in length and 79 feet in depth? The conception for this monumental engineering feat first envisioned by none other than Napoleon Bonaparte. During his Egyptian conquest in the late 18th century, Napoleon proposed the idea of a canal. Yet the actualization of this concept had to wait for almost 6 decades. It was in the year 1859 when the first stone was laid under the keen supervision of French diplomat Ferdinand de Lesseps. This was not a project for the faint-hearted. It demanded an army of labor, with the workforce swelling into the tens of thousands, approximately 1.5 million to be precise. This colossal undertaking was not just about shifting around 74 million cubic meters of sand and stone. It was a testimony to human perseverance and the audacity to dream big. A dream that envisioned a waterway linking the Mediterranean and the Red Sea, drastically reducing the maritime journey by 4,300 miles and forever altering the landscape of global trade. With a dream, a plan, and the fortitude to shift the physical and logistical enormities, the construction of the Suez Canal was set into motion. The creation of the Suez Canal was a monumental feat of engineering that pushed the limits of the technology available in the mid-19th century. Picture this: workers equipped with simple tools like shovels and pickaxes, laboring in the relentless Egyptian sun. Their opponent was the desert, a formidable of sand and heat stretching 164 kilometers, the length of the projected canal. But they were not alone in undertaking this gargantuan task. State-of-the-art steam-powered machines of that era were their allies, sharing the laborer's burden. For 10 grueling years they tirelessly worked, their collective sweat and toil gradually crafting a navigable path through the desert. The harsh conditions were unceasing, but so was the resilience of the human spirit. In 1869, after a decade of relentless effort, their determination bore results. The Suez Canal was officially inaugurated, creating a 24-foot deep, 79-foot wide waterway directly linking the Mediterranean and the Red Seas. This new maritime route between Europe and Asia forever revolutionized global trade as it reduced the sea voyage between the two continents by 7,000 kilometers. The completion of the canal, with a total excavation of about 74 million cubic meters, marked a significant milestone in engineering and global commerce. Since its establishment in the 19th century, the Suez Canal has seen an array of improvements to accommodate the escalating demands of international trade. Its transformations include significant widening and deepening, particularly in the 21st century, enhancing its capacity to accommodate larger vessels. Today, the Suez Canal isn't just a waterway, it's a vital artery. It stands as one of the world's most important arteries of trade, handling around 3 billion tons of cargo annually, which is approximately 12% of all global trade. The canal, measuring 120 miles in length and up to 79 feet in depth, is a bustling hub of activity, with an average of 50 ships traversing its waters each day, carrying everything from 240 million tons of grain to 4 million automobiles annually. From oil to electronics, the Suez Canal facilitates the passage of an estimated $1 trillion in goods each year. The Suez Canal has indeed come a long way from its humble beginnings. From a daring dream to a vital artery of global commerce, handling over 19,000 ships in 2020, the Suez Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance.